What's good, y'all? Welcome back. I am making some lip exfoliator and lip balm. I'm trying anyway. So that's the sugar we're using. So we're going to use some glycerin oil, some sweet almond oil, some turmeric. Here is some coconut sugar. We are using organic beeswax pellets, some shea butter. Got some jojoba oil. We also have some cinnamon oil, and we're going to use some vanilla flavoring oil. I have some bowls, some measuring cups, measuring spoons. I have a pot, some little bowls and stuff, spatulas, and some mica. And yeah, these are the tubes we're going to put them in, the lip balm tubes. So let's get started. So I have the water boiling almost. It's really hot. We're using like 1 ounce of the pellets. Please forgive me. I'll put all the measurements and stuff in the description box. I am winging it. This is me. All of this is trial and error. I'm trying. So roughly about 1 ounce of the beeswax, and then this is called a double boiler, I believe. So you put that in there and I let that melt. And we gotta add 1 ounce of the shea butter as well. So yeah, I'm just stirring it, trying to get it to hurry up and melt. Just melted, stirring. So now I'm adding the shea butter. So yeah, I added about 1 ounce of the shea butter as well. And I also had to let that melt. And it melts pretty quickly. Though as you can see, the water is it's pretty much boiling right now. So yeah, so I was just stirring it up. You're gonna make sure it's mixed very well. So yeah, we're gonna move that out the way. I'm learning, guys. This is my second video. I'm still learning. So yeah, this is me. I'm adding, it's like half a teaspoon, of almond oil. This is some jojoba oil. It's like a squirt bottle that you gotta press down on, whatever. You gotta pump. I just eyeballed. I just put a little bit because glycerin is really oily, and it's thick, so I didn't use much. The cinnamon oil, that gives a plumping effect. So yeah, this is actually what I'm making a plumping balm and plumping lip scrub. That is me adding the flavoring oil, and I think I might have used too much, but whatever. Again, trial and error, practice makes perfect, right? Right. So this is me adding. This is sugar. This is like sugar in the raw almost. I got this from Walmart. It's organic. I believe I used about 1 ounce of this as well. Thinking back, I should have used less. But again, we just practicing, so no worries. Turmeric, I put a little bit of turmeric in it, not for color, but because turmeric over time has great benefits. It lightens up dark areas. It just has a lot of benefits. And I thought that would be good in a lip scrub, for anybody with dark lips or whatever that want to lighten them up and make them pink. That'd be good. So this is a mica. I got this on AliExpress. It's just a regular gold mica powder. So I add a little bit of that. That was really to give it its color, but the turmeric kind of changed the color anyway. So I got that from AliExpress. It's a real golden color, not too much of a shimmer, as you can see. But I have another one. This is from TKB Trading. That is 24 karat gold. I love this mica. It's so dope. So I didn't put that much in, but I added it in to give it the glitter effect, the shimmer effect. I thought that'd be pretty cool in a lip scrub. So what I didn't know is that you gotta work fast with this stuff. So I added some coconut sugar in it as well because I like the consistency of it. And this is just me trying. I think when I make it, I might just use the coconut sugar because the other one's it's a little harsh. So this is me stirring, and then noticing that it's too thick. And that's where I messed up at. So I just put it back in the pot because the water was still hot, and I melted it real quick because I needed it to get into the containers. So I know for next time to move a lot faster. You have to move fast with this stuff because it will solidify like rather quickly. Also, it was kind of tricky trying to get the sugar to like be all through the product, I guess. And you'll see what I'm talking about if you do decide to make this, because you don't want the sugar just to be at the top, you know, to exfoliate. But yeah, I got this idea from Elf. Elf has a lip scrub. It's like a lipstick almost. And I was like, I can't find mine actually, but I was like, hey, I want to make that and eventually, you know, sell it. But I also wanted to give like plumping effect. So this is me. I'm trying to like make it good. I had to put it back in the hot water to get it melted again because I wasn't moving fast enough. But that's all right, because you know, I made it work. I made it work. And this is my first time like ever doing this, ever making like anything, any lip balm, scrub, anything. I just was like, hey, let me try this out. I got some stuff. And a lot of the stuff I got from Walmart. Like the sugar is from Walmart, the glycerin's from Amazon, the beeswax is from Amazon, the almond oil is from Walmart. The turmeric I actually got from an international store, but you can find turmeric at any grocery store. I think I got the cinnamon oil is from Amazon as well, and the flavoring oil is from TKB. So this is solidified, and I'm just scraping it off right now. So now I had some left over. I had let it melt in the water again, and I just put this in a container to store it. You know, we'll play with that another time, see what I could do, add to it. I don't know, maybe I'll make a video about that. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I just put it away because I didn't want to waste nothing, girl. Right. So this is me. I just went and cleaned my utensils, all that, whatever, washed my hands, cleaned the table. And now we are starting the lip balm. Water's boiling, and we're going to pretty much repeat the same steps, just without using the sugar and the turmeric. So again, about 1 ounce of the shea butter. The beeswax. Yeah, so you let it melt. I know you see that water boiling too. Letting it melt. I messed up. I did the wrong measuring. I think that was a whole tablespoon. I needed a teaspoon or whatever. But yeah, I think I did about, I forget how many I did. Sorry, y'all. But it's 1 ounce of the shea butter. And this measurement made exactly 5 lip balms, which was like, yeah, I think I did too much for the exfoliator, but the lip balm mixture, it made the exact amount. These lip balm tubes hold approximately 0.15 ounces of lip balm. So I pretty much, if you want to make 5 lip balms, do about 4.5 ounces of everything, I believe. So yeah, this is me just mixing it up, getting it all together. And then I'm just adding, this is a jojoba oil. I pretty much freestyled the lip balm. A little bit of almond oil. I won't be putting almond oil in it when I do sell it because that is like a big allergy. But this is just me just to see, you know. And I actually gave these to my sister. So I did add the glycerin. I did add the cinnamon oil as well. And the flavoring oil. The cinnamon really gives a nice plumping effect, a nice cooling effect. And you like really see it. I'll make another video actually testing that on somebody because I already have really like full lips. And I don't really see much of a difference because my lips are already so full. So I'm going to try it on somebody I know with much smaller lips. And I'll let you guys be the judge of that. So yeah, again, moving fast. I was moving really fast with this one. So it was liquidy for a little bit. And by the time I got to like the third one, it started like, it started getting hard again. So again, I still had the hot water going. So you see me putting it back in the hot water just to melt it. And that doesn't take long. It's just as long as the water's hot, it'll melt like fairly quickly. So, and that was like perfect. I did like perfect measurements pretty much. And if you can see, I pretty much emptied out that container, and that filled up 5. And yeah. So this was like really fun to do. Oh, look, I ain't wasting no products. I'm not trying to waste nothing. But look, see, I emptied that out pretty much, and I made 5 tubes. I have that one empty tube in the middle. That just was to level everything out. But look how they came out. And you can see the little shimmers.